my channel. It's Yale, and in today's video I am back with a wig tutorial. This one is in collaboration with my favorite, Hergivenhair. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post, and let's just get straight into it. Okay, so as usual, the packaging comes in their nice black and gold. And if you guys never heard of Hergivenhair, it mimics natural hair so nicely. Like, it looks so real. People won't even know it's a wig. And the quality of their hair is just amazing. So this is their Coily textured wig in a 3C to 4A. The length is 10 inches. It's in a natural color. And this is so nice because it's more so of like a pineapple kind of wig. Like, you can wear it in a nice high puff and just go. And also included with it is some headbands that you can put over it, an extra hair clip. This one already has the headband attached onto it, and it's in this cheetah, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it out the net. Okay, so this is what the unit looks like outside. So beautiful, beautiful natural curls that it has. So this is like the bang, and then this is the hair that comes out of it, and then it just has this little turban attached to it. It has the clips inside, so that's not going nowhere, and then this drawstring, so it's super simple to put on. And then it also includes a black headband, another cheetah one, and then their little satin bag to keep your hair protected, and another little scarf. Okay, so let's just go ahead and put this wig on. I love it because you do not have to leave out any hair, any edges, because it's going to be covered. So yeah, super simple install. Okay, so yeah, I'm about to play with the bangs in a second, and then also make this more just popping. But what you're gonna do is take this drawstring so you can secure it, and then just tuck it in. Looks super natural. You could of course get this more flat in the back depending on how you braid your hair, but your hair is already just in a nice puff right away. So we're gonna go ahead and just style. Alright, so to style my hair, I'm just gonna be using Taylor Beauty's Flexible Curl Potion Mousse. And I like this because it's already like water based, so I don't need to spray any extra water, and it's just gonna be able to help get my curls popping. So I'm just gonna apply it. So I kind of like it split a little bit. You can wear it like bangs, but I kind of like that split look. Kind of like, you know, the style where it's like you have some hair here and here. I like that kind of look, so I'm just gonna split it because I feel like it flatters my face a little bit more. And then I'm just gonna go in and fluff, because if I wet this hair, it's going to get what's the word, it's going to get more like not look so puffish. It's gonna be more hanging, and you want it to be more of a puff. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of curl defining cream. I know I wasn't gonna add like all that product, but I I've seen other tutorials where girls have been able to get this wig like really popping, especially like the bangs, just super definition. So I feel like the mousse might be a little too light. It just depends on what kind of look you're going for in terms of definition. And this is like one of their top selling units too. This one is kind of hard to get your hands on, so when you can get it, get it. I feel like the most important thing with this wig is just making sure the bang area looks good, because it's smack dead in the front of your head and you want to make sure that looks really good. Ooh, y'all, doing this method, like, what is this called, shingling? Ooh, these curls are popping. Popping. So I was like, I need that extra definition. So gorgeous. Look at that. Now that's gorgeous. This is so cute, and I love how Hergivenhair made it frame the face perfectly, like it's a little bit longer on each side for the bang, and then it falls like perfectly in the front, like so cute. Should I add water or not? I guess give it all that poppin' look. If I had the time to really sit and shingle this unit, it would be fire. But I like just having the front. It kind of looks like a little low pony too. That's cute. You can actually do some different styles with this. Okay, so if you want it to be like higher, you can always take a scrunchie and just wrap it around once, very loose, and you get kind of a shorter puff look, which is actually my personal favorite with this hair. Like, kind of want it just a little bit smaller, and you can do that. And then when you're in a big mood, just take it out and you can wear it in that big puff look. But this is so simple and cute like this, and it makes it feel kind of like there's less hair on your head, so you just feel more like carefree. I feel like this makes like such a good like upcoming spring / summer time wig. The cute bang look, it's updo, so when it's hot, don't gotta deal with hair on your touching your shoulders and stuff, but you still get that cute curly look. Okay, and another look you can do is you can always do a little bun as well if you want. Just loop it and then loop it again. And you have a cute little, you got a cute little bun. So cute. Love. Cute little bun with bangs. Y'all, this wig is fire. But yeah, like I was saying, you could always take black headband. I don't want to mess up my bangs, because I put in some work for these, but you can take it and loop it over this and have the black headband. Cheetah, but you know, same kind of concept. Cheetah headband. This is one of their scarves that loop through longer, but I love it. It's like an African type of print. It's one of my favorite from them. I have like 3 of these, and it's just like this long scarf, and you can pull it through your head or you can wrap it around however you want, but it's such a pretty color. And then we have this one as well. I think this bun with the bangs is my favorite. Like, this is a look. And then there's this one as well, super gorgeous. So you have different options for styling your hair, but I think this is my favorite. Like, it's so easy, so effortless, and it looks good. So all the information for this Hergivenhair wig will be linked in the description box below. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys all in my next one. Bye guys.